In this Comet by Perplexity video, I'm going to show you how you can use Comet Perplexity and schedule a task to automatically find leads related to your niche for you for your marketing. It is very simple. So if let's say you have the Comet by Perplexity, you can go over and click this assistance. So this assistance is somewhere where Perplexity will take over your entire browser and do the task for you. Now, I'm actually just asking, it's actually a fake use case that I'm making, like help me to look for business coaches in New York, assuming that you're looking for the clients in your niche, and then I want them to list down the LinkedIn's email contact number in a summary for me. And of course, because since I asked them to list down the LinkedIn, that's where the first source of the Perplexity will be finding is actually through the LinkedIn. But you don't have to limit yourself in LinkedIn, but you can actually just be open about it. All right. So after about 1 minute, after the 11 steps completed, the Perplexity take over a browser and then did everything for me. So all I need to do is just to leave it there, and then I can work on my other tasks. These are the few summaries that have come out. Of course, I don't like this specific format where I still need to like copy and paste it on an Excel sheet in order to accumulate all the data that I've collected, right? But what you can do is that you can actually add Google Sheets as part of the connector in Perplexity. And then this is the next prompt that I'm giving. So I wanted summarized for me in Excel. So right after that, Perplexity actually summarizes everything. They open my Google Sheets and insert the data for me and do it very nicely. And even if let's say there are certain things that I want to change in this Excel, I can directly input in the assistant and have the Perplexity Comet to do it for me automatically. So setting this up is very, very simple. First, all you need to do is to have a Comet by Perplexity browser. You can subscribe for it. I'm a paid user. And then next, you want to actually connect whatever software that you have. So basically, to connect it, it's very simple as well. I'm logging in, so you can go over to this connector. You can connect to whichever things that make sense to you. You can connect to Google Drive. Basically, when I sign in to Perplexity, I'm using my Google Sheet. I give the rights. That's why they are able to open. Basically, what they do is that they open up my Google Sheets and put it inside. And I have already connected. I already signed in my Google Sheet when I'm using this browser. So that's why whenever you see over here, I only connected these two items, but I did not connect Google Sheets. So this is the first thing that you must have. And then secondly, for whatever that I did just now, all I need to do is just to insert this assistant. So let me just go back. I actually insert this assistant and insert a prompt here. But let's imagine now you want Perplexity to take over for you and do this every single day. You can then make use of the schedule task functions in Comet by Perplexity. You go over to the names, and you go over to the all settings, okay, and then locate something that we call notifications, and then you're able to schedule a task here, create a task, and you're able to see all the scheduled tasks here. So basically, you can copy paste the instruction just now and input into this Google Sheet, and you can actually give them the Google Sheets link. Okay, so what happens is that, oops. So what happens is that the Perplexity will then create this task for you. So you can hit submit, and of course, you can actually schedule this particular task. You can put into spaces. You can schedule, is it daily, weekly, or every weekday, specific monthly, and select the time and day and how you want to be notified, and also select the models that works best for you. I don't really select that much, so, or this can be a daily. And when you click save, you're able to see, oh, these are the daily schedule tasks that Perplexity will run for you. But one thing to take note is that you must make sure that you on your Windows, of course, as well as your Perplexity, you actually use the browser to have this automation run it for you. So I hope that this video helps you guys in a bit. So if let's say you found that this use case actually helps you a lot and you want to see more use cases of Comet by Perplexity from me, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below so that you will motivate me to do even more videos about Comet by Perplexity and to share with you more. So I look forward to see you guys in the next video. And if let's say you've been using Facebook to generate leads for your business, so you do not want to miss out all the automation software that I'm having at junlo.net/allsoftware, and I look forward to see you guys in the next video then. Take care, bye bye.